If you can't explain your marketing plan on one page, you probably don't have one. Let's be real. Most entrepreneurs market their business with guesswork. They post randomly, run ads without a strategy, and hope clients will come. In the one-page marketing plan, Allan Dib gives us a simple yet powerful framework to stop winging it and start building a real, scalable marketing system, all on one page. If you're a freelancer, coach, content creator, or small business owner, this episode will help you. Get more leads, turn them into paying customers, build a marketing machine that works even when you're not working. Let's dive in. Part 1. The power of a simple plan. Dib's core idea is simple. Great marketing doesn't need to be complicated. In fact, the simpler it is, the more likely you'll use it. Most people overcomplicate marketing with jargon, funnels, and endless tactics. But at the heart of all effective marketing is a simple journey. Know you like you, trust you, buy from you. The one-page plan breaks this down into 3 major stages. Before, get attention. During, build trust. After, deliver and grow. Each stage has 3 steps. 9 total blocks. 1 powerful page. Part 2. The before phase, attracting attention. The first 3 blocks are about getting noticed by your ideal prospects. Target market. You can't market to everyone. Get specific. Who are you for? Message. Craft a message that speaks directly to your audience's pain points. Media. Where does your audience hang out? That's where your message should go. Instead of trying to be everywhere, be where your people are with a message that makes them stop and say, "That's me." Part 3. The during phase, converting interest into action. This is where attention turns into trust and trust turns into sales. Lead capture. Offer something valuable in exchange for contact info, like a lead magnet. Lead nurture. Follow up with useful, consistent content, email sequences, videos, tips. Sales conversion. When trust is built, make a compelling offer. Solve a clear problem. Dib says, don't sell. Help people buy. Part 4. The after phase, turning customers into fans. Marketing doesn't end at the sale. The best growth comes from turning buyers into loyal fans. Deliver a world-class experience. Blow their expectations out of the water. Increase customer value. Upsell, cross-sell, and offer continuity where it helps. Referrals. Make it easy for happy clients to refer you. Ask. Reward. Repeat. This is where most marketers drop the ball. But when you delight your customers, they become your greatest marketing tool. Part 5. Why this works and why most don't. Most marketing fails because there's no structure. It's reactive, not proactive. The message is unclear or scattered. The one-page marketing plan fixes this by making you think strategically in advance. Focus on just one action per block. Track what works and cut what doesn't. It's clear, it's practical, and it keeps you from shiny object syndrome. Part 6. How to use this today. Step 1. Grab a blank sheet and divide it into 9 boxes. Step 2. Fill in each section based on where your business is now. Step 3. Keep it visible. This isn't a plan to file away. It's a map to guide your daily action. Whether you're just starting out or scaling, this tool brings clarity fast. Key takeaways. Simplicity is power. Clear beats clever. Marketing has a before, during, and after. Focus on your message and your market first. Automate what you can. Nurture. Follow up. Delivery. A good plan fits on one page. Then, execute relentlessly. Wrap up and action step. Marketing doesn't have to be messy. With this one-page system, you can stop guessing and start growing. So, here's your challenge. Make your own one-page plan. Focus on one key message. And commit to consistency. If this video gave you clarity, hit like, subscribe to The Dive with Phil, and drop a comment. What's one marketing move you're ready to simplify this week? Tomorrow's episode? Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, one of the most iconic mindset books of all time.